Hey Advanced team members, I wanted to give you guys a quick update. Please stay tuned for the next few minutes and learn about what's happening in the organization. Words of congratulations to our wonderful payroll coordinator Rhonda, who's been with us for the last 5 years. She is going to be enjoying semi-retirement and working from home in her next adventure. So we want to thank Rhonda for her service to the organization for the last 5 years and wish you all the best of luck. Our new payroll specialist, Sally, is going to be starting on Monday, so please stop by and introduce yourself to Sally. She's going to be cross-training with Rhonda for the next couple of weeks. There are a few other changes in our Human Resources Department. We're glad to announce that Jolie is going to be taking on more of the benefits administration for Advanced. So if you have benefits questions now, please direct those to Jolie. A quick update about our health insurance. Our current benefits are going to be continued through the end of the year, and now starting on January 1st, our health insurance will change. So the exact insurance you have now and your family has now will be the same through the end of the year. Open enrollment is going to be coming up in December, so there are going to be a few meetings that you'll have the opportunity to learn about our benefits packages. In Sacramento, we have 2 dates picked out so far. The first is on Tuesday, December 3rd in the Hospice conference room. This will be immediately following the weekly interdisciplinary group meeting that takes place in that room. And then the second date for Sacramento is Wednesday, December 4th. We have not chosen a time or location for that yet, but we will let you guys know. In Sacramento on November 12th, we're going to be having a dessert competition. We're also going to be having a mandatory skills fair for our clinicians, and we're also going to be having a chili cook-off. So I encourage you all to participate in the chili cook-off and the dessert competition, and have the opportunity to come here and meet many of the clinicians that you maybe haven't had the opportunity to meet yet. There's also going to be a very special guest at our skills fair this year. Our new Chief Executive Officer for Excellent Health is going to be in Sacramento that week, and she is looking forward to getting to meet all of you at the skills fair. So please come and participate. It has been a difficult couple of months, I will be the first to say, and I owe all of our success to all of you who have done an amazing job over the last couple of months as we have transitioned from Brightree into WellSky. We believe that WellSky is going to allow us to, at the end of the day, provide better quality care, and that really was the deciding factor when we chose WellSky. I know this has been a tough transition. We have ran into bumps, we have overcome those hurdles, we have found new bumps, we have found solutions for those, and many of you have put your heads together to really develop the best program that we can. So I really want to thank you for all of your patience and all of your hard work and diligence during this time. I know that it has been hard on all of you. We are at the very end, so this will be a distant memory for all of us here pretty soon. So thanks again for all of your hard work, and I appreciate you all remaining positive during this experience. Hospice is going to be taking care of patients on WellSky starting next week, so they will not be transitioning over time. All of their patients will stop being cared for in Brightree on October 31st, and all of the new patients will be cared for in WellSky on November 1st. So big changes, so wish our hospice team best of luck. Some of you may know about the quiet room that we have in the hospice building. That room is primarily used for bereavement, for family members to meet with one of our chaplains or social workers or counselors. However, when that space isn't in use, it sits empty most of the day. So we want to allow staff to use that room to take their breaks. We've installed some cell phone chargers in there, and you can go fill up your water bottle in the hospice kitchen and just take a little break in there. There are big leather couches and recliners. There's a nice fireplace. So please take advantage of that space when you have time, and be sure and rest and take care of yourself. We appreciate you guys bringing forward the suggestions on a resting room, a quiet room, as well as the water cooler, so the water filtering system. So those are some changes that we're bringing to you guys to make this a better place to work. So thanks again for bringing those suggestions up. The hospice house is well underway. We have had 2 volunteer events. Thank you to everybody who has come out and helped put stuff together, hang pictures on walls, organize medical supplies. The hospice house is looking absolutely great, so we really want to thank you all for your hard work. One more thing I want to update you guys on is the Hospice Remembrance ceremony is going to be December 12th. This is an annual event that we have for family members who have lost a family member on our service, and it's a great opportunity to come together and reflect on our loved one's life and provide a little bit of closure. And the last event I really want to remind you guys about is our holiday appreciation party for our team in Sacramento. It will be on December 14th at 6 p.m. And it will go to 11 p.m. So I hope to see you and your spouses there. And for our San Diego teams, please be sure and save the date for Saturday, December 7th for our holiday appreciation party. Thanks so much, team, and I hope you have a great weekend.